Local businesses lose customers every day simply because no one replies fast enough. That is where AI chatbots become powerful. An AI chatbot on your website or Facebook page can answer questions instantly, book appointments, collect contact details, and guide people toward a sale. Imagine a dental clinic, salon, or repair shop getting inquiries at midnight and still converting them into paying customers. The chatbot can answer common questions like pricing, business hours, location, and available services without needing a staff member online. This saves time and improves customer experience. People love speed, and the business that responds first often wins. AI tools like ChatGPT or ManyChat can help create these systems quickly. For local businesses, this strategy means fewer missed opportunities and more booked calls, walk-ins, and appointments. In simple terms, AI chatbots turn casual visitors into real leads, even while the owner is sleeping.